Hi, in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to complete the work interest profiler activity and how to submit your results on Canvas. So first things first, you're going to go to the California Career Zone website. This link is available on the assignment page. Once you get to the California Career Zone website, on the right hand side where it says get started, you're going to click on register now. Then you are going to type in an email. I would recommend to use the email that you frequently use or you frequently check. And then you're going to click on next. Which account type? You're going to click on Explore because that's the one for students. Then you're going to put in your personal information there. First, last name, then you're going to go ahead and create a password. And I would recommend to use a password that you could remember. I tend to use passwords that I use for all my school-related work. Once you click on that, how do you plan to use the system? Click on student. You are post-secondary, that is after high school. Go ahead and click on that and then click next. Then tell us about your school. It's California, and then you're just going to type in Santa Ana College. It should pop up. There it is. And then, when you plan on graduating, you could just say freshman. Click on next. Then, click the one that applies to you. I would guess that the majority of you are over 13. Then join the site. All right, now you're going to click on Start Exploring after you've successfully created an account. And then the next step is now you're on your dashboard and you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom left where it says complete activities. You're going to click on Start Exploring and you're going to see a lot of different activities that are available to you. The one that I would like you to focus on for this assignment is Work Importance Profiler. So click on that. And then you have a few options. You're going to click the first one, start a new work importance profile. Wow, that's a tongue twister. Profiler. Then you're going to click on next. Make sure you read the instructions. And then you begin. Okay, you can see here that there are 21 rounds. They're going to ask you to prioritize 1 through 5. And what you do is you just click and drag to prioritize, 1 being the most important, 5 being the least. And you're going to do that for all 21 rounds. Once you complete round 21, it's going to ask you to respond to the following statements. Simple answering yes or no. Once you answer all the statements, you're going to click on View Summary for your results. And here we go. This is what I would like you to submit on Canvas for this assignment. You're going to just simply highlight your results. You're going to go to the assignment at the bottom under submission. You want to click on the text box and then you're simply going to paste them there. Go back here and then you want to just copy and this box here and submit that. And then once you've copied both of those things, you click on submit, and that's how you complete this assignment. Any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Okay, now, bye-bye then.